If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. The girl put OV in her bio, so me no say Tevs and I fuck it. The girl put our world now, that's our girl. Me I'm just slam in the bucket. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice. Now you don't know, say a cogency pon the cogency ranks. Channel, right? And today we have Harlem O H1. Next up, you understand? Harlem O, you know the Harlem niggas there already, bro. I always wonder why Harlem O and Harlem Spartans, but I guess different cliques within the set or different sets within the whole gang. Who knows, bro? But we don't know. We have H1 with the next up today and Uncensored. Click my links in the description, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my other channels. And yeah, let's go.
It was us that stepped out bait, covered up to my eyes. We lot round fields, heard they got live cameras on Cowley Estate. Nothing less than a 15-inch on my waist, heard they got ZKs, but they leaving their mates. Internet typers, when on socials, out in the field, they're Johan Blake. They leg and run, but I didn't have nothing, I bet
They're doing this. They're doing the Johan Blake thing. They're doing and Olympics just gone a while ago, you know. Olympics was just like last week, 2 weeks ago. They're doing this. Last week was Olympics, bro. But yeah, this sounds cool from the start. So I like the beat. I like the way how he must spit. I like this. Come on. Aye.
It was us that stepped out bait, covered up to my eyes. We lot round fields, heard they got live cameras on Cowley Estate. Nothing less than a 15-inch on my waist, heard they got ZKs, but they leaving their mates. Internet typers, when on socials, out in the field, they're Johan Blake. They leg and run, but I didn't have nothing, I bet they freeze when I back this blade. Don't think and cut to the end if you don't get caught round Kennerton Park, then you might get grabbed on Kennerton Lane. Next W9 trying to make it rain. I ain't talk about raindrops, I talk about spilling man's juice on the page. How many times we crossed that border, we done it at night and we done it broad day. Back your shank, I'll back my shank, my money's on you, that you're gonna get shaved. Tools get done in any location.
Hey, back my shank, you back your shank, my money's on you that you're gonna get shaved, bro. Back my shank. Oh man, let's have a shank fight, bro, and let's see, bro, let's see. My money's on you that you get shaved. Someone else said that though. Someone else that. But anyway.
About spilling man's juice on the page. How many times we crossed that border, we done it at night and we done it broad day. Back your shank, I'll back my shank, my money's on you that you're gonna get shaved. Tools get done in any location, I put your caution, I'll go on me, so you better not make no silly mistakes. It stays unclipped, I don't clip my case. They try ride out in a pushback, they left on foot when they butt my mates. Only God knows where the neighbours witness. 6 black youths running around in states with blades on our hands trying to leave that tape. Have you ever done a drill when the sun's out? Take that scene, I was looking all bait.
Nah, the way I'm saying 6 black youth with blades. Like, bro, like, that's a scary sight, bro. Like, nah, fam, I don't want to see that.
But they left on foot when they butt my mates. Only God knows where the neighbours witness. 6 black youths running around in states with blades on our hands trying to leave that tape. Have you ever done a drill when the sun's out? Take that scene, I was looking all bait. Civilians preying like, is he okay? He dashed, tripped, screamed, got balled up and left by his mates. They back up phones, we back our blades. Got a 5x3 just chilling on my waist. In Elephant and Castle, take that left, don't take that right on Kennerton Lane. If you do get ran off the ends, go ask them youths, they remember that day. They ask me how I got like this, what you expect when I was surrounded by drillers and trappers. None of my guys are like the other side, how we all got blood on our splashes. On Snapchat with an app for the views, but it's live in the field where we get shit cracking. Step to splash out, know about scratching back my Rambo, trying to cause some damage.
I like that flow right there, right?
As I like the other side, how we all got blood on our splashes. On Snapchat with an app for the views, but it's live in the field where we get shit cracking. Step to splash out, know about scratching back my Rambo, trying to cause some damage. Trying to take that strip. They know wild dogs when we step into Lambos. That's hoes in the night, man, jacket, the cut from the scene, Houdini vanish. From young been chopping up bandos, that's that pack reload and slang it like a mobile, that sim was tampered. The way these rocks disappear when the phone line rings, we'll thought it was magic. Swing your shank, don't leave that blood. You better go home and seal it, bang it. it. What happened that day was tragic. You got chinged and left in a madness. I don't know about jerking jackets. Feel that phone to my knocking, bang it. This brown skin fans.
Man say I don't know about jerking jackets, bro. Remember there's a YPB guy, bro, that literally killed a guy over a jacket in England and slashed his mother's throat or his brother's throat and stabbed the mom. Like, bro, the guy was on a madness, fam. But it was a YPB nigga, though. I remember that shit. I wonder if they caught him.
Was tampered. The way these rocks disappear when the phone line rings, we'll thought it was magic. Swing your shank, don't leave that blood. You better go home and seal it, bang it. What happened that day was tragic. You got chinged and left in a madness. I don't know about jerking jackets. Feel that phone to my knocking, bang it. This brown skin finds me attractive. She thinks I'm a full-time rapper. She don't even know I'm on a back row slanging. I don't know about 9 to 5. I'm on too late. Full-time I'm trapping. I got TT light in a bando. Bitch says cat and elbow scratching. I'm a healthy trapper. I guess you could say I'm trap fit.
Man say, yo, elbow scratching, you know. You know the kitties always a scratch them elbow, bro. You just know that, dog. I like that. I like how him paint an image for me, you understand?
Bitch says cat and elbow scratching. I'm a healthy trapper. I guess you could say I'm trap fit. Bow. I
don't know why it said uncensored. What happened? Like, what did he say that was rude in this song? I didn't really hear much. But he said he's a healthy trapper, so he's trap fit. Yeah, so I like that still. I mean, I like this. It was nice. It wasn't nothing too crazy. You understand? Nice bars, nice flows every now and again. You understand? And switch up with the beat as well. So, yeah, man. 7.5 out of 10. Perfect. You understand? Harlem OH1 next up. Season 3, episode 38. I wonder how much people have our next up, bro. That's crazy. That's a lot of people. But anyway, man. Don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. It was a nice song. Nothing too much to say about it. You understand? I don't know why it's uncensored, though. But anyway, Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to